Pack your bags and grab your hat. Mateo's on the move, imagine that. He's got his globe and his big bright shell. He's off to the continents, let's wish him well. Mateo the Turtle, he travels with glee from the deserts to icebergs and wide open seas. Learning and laughing wherever he goes. Come join the fun as the whole world shows. To Africa first where the lions roar. He dances with zebras and learns some more. The Sahara is hot and the Nile flows wide. He meets friendly kids and takes a camel ride. Then it's off to Asia, oh so grand. Temples, tigers and rice-filled land. He climbs the mountains, eats with chopsticks, and sees giant pandas doing neat tricks. Now to Europe, old and true. He rides a train and tastes fruit juice. Castles, towers and chocolate too. He learns to say hello and how do you do. In North America he sees it all, from snowy peaks to a waterfall. He eats a taco and plays some jazz, then hikes through forests with moose and bears. Down to South America full of cheer, with rainforest lush and llamas near. He learns to dance the samba beat, with colorful birds and tasty treats. Mateo hops to Australia's shore, with kangaroos that bounce and soar. He swims the reef with fishes bright, and says good day mate with great delight. Antarctica is icy and cold, but penguins slide, what a sight to behold. He builds a snow fort bold and proud, and waves at whales swimming by out loud. Mateo the Turtle, he's seen it all, from jungles and cities to glaciers tall. With kindness and learning in every land, he makes new friends and lends a hand. Now he's back, his shell full of stories of faraway lands and nature's glories. Let's travel together just like Mateo the Turtle, with love wherever he goes.